Hey guys, my name's Dan, I'm a veterinarian, and today I'm going to cover everything dental-wise for your cat or dog's dental. This includes x-rays, the scaling and polishing instruments, and the anesthesia monitoring equipment too. Down here is going to be our instruments for scaling and polishing. As you can see, we have these tanks and we'll have distilled water in, and when they're full, the machine will pump them through our different instruments. Right here, we have our tool for scaling, and doggies get a lot of dental calculus and tartar. They don't get a whole bunch of cavities. That's really rare to have a dental carrier cavity. So this scaling, this will make a doggy's teeth go from like brown and gross all the way to beautiful and white. Once the scaling's all done, because you're gonna get micro abrasions all over the enamel. So you really, once you're done scaling, just like humans, you gotta polish the teeth. Polishing's crazy important. The veterinarian will get a polishing tip like this and grab their polisher and pop it on there, and then they will polish every single tooth very thoroughly. Without good polishing, you will get rebuild of dental calculus and tartar significantly quicker. Now, if you got a bad tooth in a doggy or a kitty, you got to remove it. Sometimes you can just elevate it out, but sometimes you need to use a drill. Drilling teeth is really common in veterinary medicine. Like for example, on a doggy, those back teeth, the carnassial teeth, 108, 208, have 3 big roots. And you need to burr away some of the bone and section the tooth into 3 pieces. This allows for complete removal of all 3 roots. So sometimes drilling is needed. It's a little bit of work, but it definitely solves the problem. As well, just like humans, we can also flush and irrigate with some water, and this also has air in it too. Now, if we're going to pull a tooth, as I just mentioned, and these are all sterile, guys, we're going to use elevators. As you can see, there's a nice big handle there, and there's different size elevators, turn it around for you, for different size teeth. And once you get close, you can then extract the tooth with an extractor tool like this, and you want the tooth really loose before you extract it. And sometimes, just like humans, if you leave a big hole in the mouth, guys, you have to elevate the gingiva or gum and use thumb forceps, a needle driver, and some scissors to suture that closed so you don't leave a gaping hole in a dog's mouth or a kitty's mouth. Now, how do you know which teeth to pull? Sometimes it's obvious. You touch the tooth and it wobbles, it looks super gross, it's just falling apart, you know it's abscessed, pus comes out of it, pull that tooth, right? Yeah, right. So, however, sometimes, especially with kitty cats, you need an x-ray. The veterinary world is moving towards x-raying like everything, and you should be x-raying every animal that goes under anesthesia for a dental cleaning. X-ray every tooth. Sometimes you'll find bone remodeling, lytic bone, damaged roots, roots that were removed in previous dentals. An x-ray is a veterinarian's best friend to make sure nothing is missed. So when the dental's done, all the bad teeth are out and all the good teeth are still in, and we know for sure with our x-ray. This x-ray is digital, so it will throw it straight to our laptop, and then when I walk into the room later to talk to the owner, I can be like, here's all the beautiful teeth, and it went great today. Last but not least, guys, we have our monitoring equipment. This is just one piece of many. As you can see, we have some ECG leads, we have a pulse oximeter, we have blood pressure. This lights up beautifully and it kind of tells us everything. I know, it beeps a lot, so I didn't want to turn it on right away. But it's going to tell us exactly how the patient's doing, and it's allowed to monitor all the way through. Last but not least, guys, whenever we're doing a dental, we should have glasses on. I knew it was going to beep. We should have glasses on and some kind of face shield as well. Boom, look at that. Some kind of face shield as well, because we need to make sure that we're not breathing in anything that we're scaling off the dog's teeth, because there's a lot of bacteria. It's telling me nobody's hooked up, or if they are hooked up, they're in trouble. Alright guys, so I hope that was helpful. Next time your veterinarian's like, hey, your doggy should get a dental. At least now you know what's gonna happen and how they're gonna do it and all the expensive equipment they're gonna use to make sure your dog's dental or your cat's dental goes as smoothly as possible. So when you guys go home, you know your animal, your pet, has a beautiful mouth. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I super appreciate it. Also, thank John, my brother. He's been recording all day. It's Sunday. And he's a pastor, so he should be relaxing, but he's actually here at the clinic working with me. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and please check out more of my videos. Take care. Bye.